Now this illustration deals with protection over countertops with sinks, not kitchen area now, but this is just countertops with sinks. Now notice this is a wet bar as you see in the illustration, but we have a sink with this wet bar. Now if you locate a receptacle and that area that you see kind of dotted in, if you're within 6 foot in any direction, then you would need a GFCI protected receptacle there, as you see in 210.8A7. But now notice for the refrigerator, the rule could include sinks for laundry, utility rooms, wet bars, and so forth. There we have a little refrigerator behind the wet bar to store drinks and things of that nature. GFCI protection wouldn't be required there because it's over 6 foot in accordance with 210.8A7. But now remember, we're just reviewing here areas that require GFCI protection. We have not got into AFCI protection yet in accordance with 210.12. So this illustration 10-29 is showing protection for receptacles located over countertops when a certain distance with a receptacle installed from the wet bar in accordance with NEC 210.8A7, and basically it's the 6 foot rule.